Welcome back, my friends, to another daily work from home job lead. Today is the day we are getting caught up on part-time positions, night and weekend positions, and non-phone positions. I was away for a few days out of my home office, and so I have gathered quite a few of these non-phone and part-time positions, which I know a lot of people have mentioned in the comments they are looking for. So if there's anything specific that you're looking for, feel free to leave those in the comments along with any education or experience that you may have, because I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. But to keep today's job lead very short and to the point, the company Tinyhood is a startup company, and they are trying to build the world's best online learning platform for parents. They are hiring a non-phone based, so this is going to be like email, tickets, chat, customer experience specialist. This is part-time remote within the United States. Now, Tinyhood takes the stance they believe all parents should feel empowered with the knowledge they need to help their families thrive. So they are a well-funded startup that's trying to reimagine parenting education, combining the best technology and design with on-demand parenting classes. So they are offering online parenting classes is the service that they offer. So they are looking for a customer experience specialist to help overall the company be successful. This position is fast-paced, requires attention to detail, and strong follow-up skills. It is a part-time contractor 1099 role with the potential to expand into full-time in the future. They are looking for someone to be responsible for maintaining daily ticket inquiries and inbox. So email, tickets, this is all non-phone written communication. Demonstrate the consistency to follow up and manage time well. Employ critical thinking skills to investigate and solve their customers' issues. Communicate in an organized, clear, and concise manner to effectively provide updates to the customers, sales team, and co-workers. You'll ensure all required supporting information is obtained and guarantee accurate customer service, and you'll maintain a positive attitude with the customers when you demonstrate on excellent customer service. Now, there are just a few qualifications for this position, including you've got to be customer driven. You need to understand the relationship between customer service and other departments. They want someone who can excel at detail-oriented processes, someone who has great verbal and written communication skills, someone who can make judgment decisions in accordance with policies and guidelines, the ability to self-manage and exhibit a high degree of proficiency at remote working. They do want someone who has familiarity with Zendesk or similar ticketing software systems, someone who is available to work a minimum of 12 to 15 hours a week, and it does offer flexible evening and weekend hours, so you have to be available on the weekends. Now, it does say they offer competitive hourly compensation, although they don't say what that compensation is, and since this is a 1099 role, there are no insurance benefit packages associated with this position. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.